In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage analytic accounts in Odoo. We'll begin inside the accounting application. From there, go to Configuration, then Settings. This is where you enable the features needed for analytic tracking. Scroll down until you find the Analytic Accounting section, and make sure the boxes for Analytic Accounting, Analytic Plans, and Distribution Models are checked. These options work together to help you track costs and revenue with more detail across projects, departments, clients, or any other dimension you want to analyze. Once those options are enabled, click Save so the changes take effect. Next, go to Configuration, then Analytic Accounting, and open Analytic Plans. Think of an analytic plan as the structure or dimension you'll use to organize your analytic accounts. Click New to create one. Enter a clear name for the plan, then define the default applicability. This determines how the plan behaves by default in your accounting flow, so it's worth choosing a setting that matches how your organization wants to track transactions. When that's done, save the plan. Now head to Configuration, Analytic Accounting, and then Analytic Accounts. This is where you create the actual accounts that will be used for tracking. Click New, then fill in the account name, link it to the analytic plan you just created, and assign a customer or company if that applies to your setup. Keeping these names consistent and descriptive will make reporting much easier later. After entering the details, click Save to activate the account. The next part is setting up distribution models. Go to Configuration, Analytic Accounting, and open Distribution Models, then click New. Here you'll define the rules that tell Odoo how to split amounts across multiple analytic accounts. In the Analytic Distribution area, add the relevant analytic accounts and enter the exact percentage for each one. Make sure the percentages are accurate since this determines how values are allocated in reporting and analysis. Once the setup is complete, open a customer invoice or a vendor bill. On the invoice or bill lines, look for the analytic account or analytic distribution column. At this stage, you can either select the analytic account manually or let a pre-configured distribution model automatically fill in the splits for you. This can save time and improve consistency, especially if the same allocation rules are used regularly. Finally, once the document is validated, you can monitor expenses and revenue in real time by going to Reporting and then Analytic Reports. This is where all your setup starts to pay off, giving you a more detailed financial view and better control over business performance.